Hello, and a Happy New Year, and hope all goes well for all my subscribers and anybody viewing in 2022. Hope we get rid of this shit for once and for all. Anyway, here's my build, first one of the new year of 22, and it's the Lesney number 4 stake truck. It's in a bit of a battered condition, paint missing, and overall in good condition though. It's got some silver overspray on it from something I was doing. That does show up a little bit on the end turntable, but it doesn't actually show up on 1-to-1 if you're looking at the model. Anyway, here's where we're starting off. A beaten up and battered Lesney Matchbox number 4 stake truck. Its main components are in good condition. None of the plastic is broke, as is the case on the rear usually. And we start by dribbling out the mushrooms on the rear. And for anybody that's visiting my Facebook page, Pimp My Dice Casts on my own personal one, are wondering where I am on DMC, I've got a 30-day Facebook ban for an hilarious joke. I can't really tell it on here. Well, I could, but you know, it was damn funny though. It was more of a rhyme than a joke, but apparently it's hate speech. It was quite mild, so the world's going absolutely mad. Getting so soft, but what can you do? Apart from try your best to ignore them. Bit hard when they run all the social media platforms, etc. They need to grow a spine and stop being so soft. Anyway, besides that, here we go, I'm polishing the glass. And it's not a bad condition glass. It didn't need any sanding, it just needed a little bit of a polish. And it came up, the rear was a bit dirty. That just got a wash in soap and water before dipping into the pledge. And there we go, a quick run around in the pledge. And we're out again. And in goes the screen for a quick dip. Badoosh. Ah, gold, we're off. And here we go, I'm polishing the chassis with silver water salt. And I've got my mini Dremel out, my high speed Dremel. I use my mini hand Dremel on the windscreen so it's not violent and it's less likely to melt them. And here we are, just continuing on the chassis, giving it a damn good clean with Solvo. After that, after I'd polished it with a Solvo, I took it into the bathroom and give it a good scrubbing with the toothbrush to remove the excess polish. And what I'm doing here, I'm drilling the actual posts. And I give it a little bit of a starting tap with M2 tap. And then it didn't really matter, I drilled right the way through on these, because the actual thing is hidden by the stake truck body. And here I'm using the Phillips screws as self-tappers. And at this point it's time to lose the paint. Get a bit crinkly. And there we go. It actually came off really quick, this one, which is a weird thing. I've just ordered a kiln jar, some more paint stripper, so I'm having a stripper dip bath. Then I've ordered some more caustic soda, because I'm running out of both. I've had to order some decals for a project I've got on the go. I had decals until I decided to do 2 versions of it, at which point I needed to order more decals. Here we're putting the body in the yellow colour after white primer, and it's looking good. And at that point I think that's giving it a mist of clear coat. I'm pretty sure that is a clear coat going on there, the way I'm spraying it, because it's from a rattle can. And at this point I'm cleaning up the axles. I'm doing it with a car body sandpaper, fairly rough one. Then I move on to 1200 wet and dry with silver water on. Then a cloth to buff it up after. And there we are, like a new pin. And at this point we're knocking them together, just peeling over the ends of the axles to hold the wheels on. I did bend one of the axles and had to take it out, and I made a new one out of a rivet. But that was only the front one, the rear ones, the genuine articles. And there we are. Leaning them over. It has to be said, you have to discover the exact pressure to hammer them at, or you do bend the axles. Not enough and they don't peen that well, and too much and you bend the axles. And here we are, this is the pointer where we started. A beaten, battered Lesney number 4 stake truck. And thank you to all my subscribers sticking with me through 2021 and on to 2022. If you haven't subscribed, well hell not. Press them bloody buttons. These videos won't watch themselves. And it's much appreciated for anyone coming in and joining the journey. Anyway, this is where we started, and here is where we moved on to. A lot cleaner. You can see the speckles of silver on the actual turntable lit shots, but you can't see them with your naked eye. It just looks the green with no speckles. It's funny, it must just be the way the light catches it. But anyway, again, all it has to be said is thank you very much. You're much appreciated for being there. And all the best for 2022. Catch you in my next video. And bye for now. Take care, people.